in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Welcome to the special celebration of Linggo ng Kabataan sa Ozamis City, a week dedicated to honoring the energy, creativity, and potential of our youth and in celebration of Linggo ng Kabataan with the theme From Youth to Progress, Youth Digital Pathways for Sustainable Development. And are we happy to be here? Nalipay ba ta ni akaron? And because we are not only celebrating for the future leaders and change makers of our society, but also taking a moment to reflect on our shared history, most especially on the situation of Ozamis before and now, the stories that have helped shape us and the legacy we carry forward. So, ato sang i-greet ang mga opisyales nga niya din karon. We would like to acknowledge our Honorable Vice Mayor, City Vice Mayor, Simplicia Obina Neri. SP members who are here, DepEd family member, Honorable Cecile White Co. Attorney Marcelian Mars Tapayan, Honorable Juanito Junjun Sakin, Honorable Roland Dinky Suizo, and of course, someone we call Kuya, the Honorable Sunny S. Waminal Jr. And we would like just to acknowledge also the program owner of this event, series of events. In fact, this is the finale of the celebration, the Honorable John Fel D. Duhay Lungsod. We would also like to acknowledge the others, Honorable Jun Carlo Moralion, Honorable Kat Lim, Honorable Saulo Salvador, Honorable Lorly Cipres, Attorney Daniel Lau, Honorable Marcelo or Archie Romero, and of course, our very dear Honorable City Mayor, Attorney Henry Indy Waminal Jr. Shall we give them a round of applause? And to officially welcome us all in this evening's drama presentation as finale for Linggo ng Kabataan celebration, we would like to welcome on stage the Honorable City Vice Mayor, the very motherly Honorable Simplicia Baby Neri.
May gabi ka na itong tanan. May gabi ba? Upayong pag-abot, nining hamugaway, kayo na to na Willis Park sa Ozamis City. Palakpakan ko nung nato, B. We're First of all, in behalf of our Honorable City Mayor, Mayor Henry Indy Waminal Jr., allow me first to greet our esteemed judges. We have here the Father Attorney Lim Naval, Father, Ma'am Susan Carpio, and Sir Ayanta. May gabi, and thank you for being with us tonight. In behalf of our proponent nini mao nga kalihukan karon, in line with the celebration of the Linggo ng Kabataan, the Honorable Duhay Lungsod, I would like to congratulate him for this very laudable activity that we have here today. Ako siyang ipahalipayan nga usa ka maaptik na sakop sa sangguniang panglungsod. Janfel, lagi. Thank you for initiating this program in line with our celebration of the Linggo ng Wika. Now, tonight, we will be witnessing the different talent na ipasundayag karon sa atong mga kabataan. Dili tingali ang tanan mudaog yun, but you are all a winner already. Tungod kay the fact that you have participated in this activity, you are already a winner, di ba? Adre? Di ba, attorney? Oo. Galing lang kay kinahanglan ang good na doon na yun gamay nga konsoilo. So, mauna nga kinahanglan yun nga naagyo mo kawas. Kinsa yun, the best among the best. Pero kamong tanan, best presenter na yun mo. So, again, in behalf of the Honorable City Mayor, Mayor Henry Indy Waminal Jr., o ingon man sa itong halandon nga Governor Henry is Waminal, sa atong Congressman Sancho Ando Waminal, kanamong tanan, amo mong welcome, meaning dako o manindot o tulukibon o makahuluganon kayo na kalihukan nato karong gabi una. Salamat o ngayong gabi.
Are we all okay? Sabi nun? Have you all eaten dinner? O gula pa, magdungan daw niya. Bitaw. So let us thank God for that. Before I begin, allow me to recognize the three pillars who are very supportive for us. Gong Findri, Kong Ando, Mayor Indy. Atos ng pagbakas ng tulubi. Likewise, my colleagues at Plenary Hall, mag-start ni Honorable Lorly Fuentes. Atos na bakbakan, Honorable Kat Kathleen, Honorable Archie Romero, Honorable my best Dengue Suizo, Honorable Carlo Moralion, atawag iski kibiritin, Honorable Janfel Wailungsod, Honorable Saulo Salvador, Honorable Atty. Lau, Honorable may pare John sa akin, yours truly, Honorable Atty. Mars Tapayan, of course, ang among presiding officer, ang among mother of perpetual health, Vice Mayor Bibidire. Ingon ba sa atong pasalamatan ang atong mga board of judges, atong silang bakbakan, ang atong mga deputy personnel, kanatong tanan, bayong gabi, kanatong tanan. As it is written in Philippians chapter 4, verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Let us reflect on the transformation that our city has undergone from a place once plagued by drug addiction to now being a prosperous and progressive community. Just as the verse reminds us that with God's strength, all things are possible. Our city has shown immense resilience and determination in overcoming the challenges that once held us back. Through the collective efforts of our administration, headed by our then Mayor now Congressman Ando Waminal, whose efforts has been continued by our young and dynamic city mayor, Attorney Indy Waminal, with full-blown support of Governor Henry Waminal, the hard work of our community, and with faith as our guiding light, we have achieved remarkable progress. So let's give them a big round of applause. Pakpakan na to sila. Today, as we gather to celebrate the Linggo ng Kabataan, led by the Honorable John Phil Duay Lungsod, let us remember the positive changes we have witnessed in Osamis City. This celebration not only marks the achievements of our youth, but also serves as a reminder of the transformative power of unity, perseverance, and divine guidance. The progress we have made is a testament to the strength and resilience of our community. With God's grace and the support of our fellow Osamis, we have overcome adversity and laid the foundation for a brighter future for all. So let us continue to walk in faith and work together towards the continued growth and prosperity of Osamis City. The journey may have been challenging, but with God's strength, the leadership of Mayor Indy Waminal, and the dedication of Honorable John Phil Duay Lungsod, we will continue to thrive. Sa kanunay, magkinamakita, maghiusa, para kitang tanan ni sa misnon, magpuyong, malinawan, malambuon, o malipayon. Congratulations sa kanunayang kabataan, padayon, asinso, Osamis.
As we now come to the most awaited part, which is the contest proper. For the mechanics and criteria for this drama contest, the theme will focus covering the year 2000 to the present. There will be 5 groups participating in the contest with a minimum of 10 participants and a maximum of 15 in each group. That does include the production. And all our contingents are from public and private schools and universities in Osamis. The drama will have a minimum of 10 minutes and a maximum of 15 minutes presentation. Preparation is excluded, and a maximum of 5 minutes for the preparation. The dialogue will be local dialect, Tagalog or mixed, 90% local dialect and 10% mixed. Participants should be 15 years old to 30 years old, currently enrolled in the institution in Osamis City. Concept stories will focus on peace and order and good governance, which will be drawn by lot for each group. Reminders, please do not use foul language or words. Judge's decision is final and irrevocable. And the criteria for judging: presentation delivery is 30%, relevance is 20%, script is 20%, characterization 10%, props and costume 10%, audience impact 10%, for a total of 100%. Excited na? Wala pa gani ko nagsaba sa prizes. First prize is pila? First prize is 30,000 pesos. Second prize is 15,000 pesos. Third prize is 10,000 pesos. However, because our city is very generous, we also have consolation prizes for those non-winners in the amount of 5,000 pesos. Shall we give our city a round of applause? Would you like to know the judges na or unya pa? Karon na lang. Our first judge is the Supervising Administrative Officer of Mayor Hilarion A. Ramiro Sr. Medical Center. Events and Pageant Director, the Chairman of the Organizing Committee of the Tri-Annual Mars MC Film Festival from 2015 to 2023. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause to Francis Ayan L. Tan. Our next judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Laws, Juris Doctor degree from Misamis University and Master of Laws from San Beda University. A lawyer by profession, and presently the Executive Clerk of Court of the Regional Trial Court of Ozamis City. He is a local historian in Misamis Occidental, having authored and published historical book entitled Misamis Antigua, Early History of Misamis Occidental. He is also a musician, composer, songwriter. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Attorney Lem J. Naval, LLM, Master of Laws. The Chairman of the Board of Judges needs no introduction because she was the Regional Speech Champion Coach of the Department of Education, the Chief Education Supervisor of the Department of Education, DepEd Ozamis City of the School Governance and Operations Division. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, from the Department of Education, Chief Susan Epifania Bueno Carpio. Are we now ready? Ready na? Ready na? Okay. We have 5 contingents, and they have already drawn their lots for their order of presentation. In the interest of no familiarity, shall we now call on the first contingent? Shall we give them a round of applause?
Sa unang panahon, adunay usa ka eskwelahan sa Ozamis City nagatukod og usa ka shrine. Ang shrine ni Brother Buknoy. Si Brother Buknoy gituohan nga nag-alagad sa mga kapatanunan, hilabi na sa the lost, the last, and the least. Sa ibagang panahon, Ang shrine na himong ulayanan sa mga estudyante na nagpangita o kalingawasan o kaluwasan. Gituuhan nga ang shrine, adunay kahog, adunay milagro.
Gamay na kulang. Sa exam na lang, nag-graduate na ko. Right! Talaga na lang ako pa ang nakajakpat sa kakubriyon. Lord, sa next week, walang ako'y kabaya sa question na ako magbilar-bilar sa Himangdong ni Mama nga, kalapot ko mo pala yun. Pero, Lord, kapoy na kayo ko. Ikapoy na ka. Basta makukikabaya sa tuition pa rin tambalang para sa kani Papa. Kapoy, kapoy! Ayaw kong siksitin ninyo. Kabalo kasi yung toyo. Wala ko'y assignment. Hindi ka mo pa kupyakon.
Doon sa makadili.
Nag-meetay. Mang pahawa mo, I wanna be alone.
Kahilak mo lagi ka.
Gahilak. Tanawa na akong matao. Bahilak ba na? Diba wala? Wala.
Nak,
Kasi anak, isa ka?
ako si Brother Bugnoy.
Uy, tapos papay simpa ko.
Dili mahal. Ako si Brother Bugnoy.
Please. Gusto mo ko mapuwi. Gusto ko magkauyab. Gusto ko magminyo. Magkawalay. Mag-anak.
Sige, namasa.
Ganun naminaw man ka. Naulang na noon ko. Strong independent woman, di ako. Strong independent? Tino-check ka? Okay. Oh, Wenchi! Tino-check na ilang ingon ko. Classmate!
Hinahinay lang sa recording. Paminaw, Leng, 2024 na. Adunay programa ang Asenso Administration na ang One Family, One Professional Program. Oh,
Salamat, brother!
magda!
Ato pa sa scholarship office.
Dali sa dali. Ato sa nabusayon imong kaugalingon. Di ganun bugat makailay mo kinahapin ka karoon.
Anong maminaw ang brother, boys? Strong, independent woman, naging go.
Anak, mauna ko ang mission dinhi sa kalibutan nga mag-guide mo mga kabatanunan sa saktong dalan.
Aduna mo istorya kanimo.
Udin sa mga pamot. Iyagtod na ako. Hindi ka yan. Sinusimita mo.
Ano man eh, brother?
Ikaw ang akong kalipay. Ang akong kusog. Ipakibisig mo ako ang tanan.
Ginapa!
Sa ating pagbaon. Pag-ibot ang balay. Mapulukong na ang kalinaw.
Ano man eh, brother?
Di ba gusto ka magkauyap? Welcome sa Malandagon, Balingawon nga ato ang Wellness Ascenso Park!
Brother, I'm not ready for this!
Try this!
Tindog. Sugato na po ang tanan na kalisod. Basta ubanta!
Ano naman po ni brother?
Hey, ikaw lang yun. Kung wala nilain pa. Isahan na ang tanan sa iyong atubangan. Saksi ang pili sa kuta.
Hold up there!
Sa may may tabo sa kinakuwi. Parang madali para nito. Para sa itong pagbaon.
Ilang hold up there!
Tabang! Hold up
Bawal mag-isot ng kabukot ni I told you! 2024 na! Naghan na kami kabaguhan! You may now kiss the bride! Hindi na, gusto na ka mapakasal. Kaya mga kapatagunan, wala lang may appreciation. Sa Ascenso Ozamis, ginako nila ang inyong kapilyon at tunay blessing ikan sa simbahan o sa Ginoo. Okay, try this!
Ay, ganit kay brother. Brother, may pretty hair. Pasin na ay rated
Bawal mag-isot ng kabukot ni Let's go, Lord!
Maraming rasis.
Sige! Sige na!
Oy, kaya! Ikaw!
Kaya na!
Let's go!
Di ba gusto ka magkabalay? Welcome to the village of Wow! Lahat sa itong urban poor housing project! Urban poor economic enterprise! Para sa inyo mga katauhan sa Ozamis, inuman pa mga housing project ang ihatag sa administrasyon. Di ba nakagusto ka magkana? Hindi mag-ibig siya edukasyon. Higibahin sa one family, one professional ang gusto niya. Nana sa free wifi. Smart TV. Ang mga public schools para ma-emphasize ang quality education. Nana sa Escala. Abroad, one of feel ang computer literacy. Pwede siya ang shared computer access locally and abroad. Gusto sa di ba mga recreational hotspot? Papunta ninyo ako Mega Sports Club! Night market sa Wellness Park! Ako sa charter celebrations, di ba? Ako umaabot na City Mall. Ako ba yung mall? Kung nakasala po ako sa airport, modernization project. Kinitaran para yun sa inyo sa Ascenso Ozamis.
Nalipong na mo, brother!
Medyo gihawin sa ko. Pero, dapat dili ka magproblema. Kinakadawat, di ba ka sa pangustong handog? Hindi pa ang mga ayuda agad sa gobyerno. Dili ka nang para sa inyo. Kaya Ascenso Ozamis tayo lubos-lubos sa servisyo. Tinulanay na servisyo.
Gusto akong pagkamasin ng
Oy! Rescue Victor!
Naanak ko mana na si Derek pa. Ayaw ko biyahe. Ayaw ko biyahe, ma!
Excuse me, Nay. Gamay lang daw, ha? I-check sa nabi ng mama. Aguroy, tingala man sa tayo emergency din eh. Pagura ba nag-ayos kong kahapon nga, pwede na kayo ma-discharge.
Ay, okay.